Hello guys, then show you how to allocate more memory RAM in your BlueStacks app. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more BlueStacks tutorial. Let's open BlueStacks here and let's get back to the home page and click on the settings gear on the right side bar and go to performance, and for CPU allocation make sure you choose medium or high to cores or 4 cores. For example, I'm selecting high here for cores, and for the RAM make sure you select 4 gigabyte. It's enhanced RAM allocation or high 8 gigabyte. So I recommend you use one of these 4 gigabyte or 8. Let's make it 4, and when you're done pick one. Save notifications, make sure you select the performance mode is balanced. This is pretty much it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave